Hey guys, it's Pickles. Welcome to another video. Today I'm on my way over to see a friend of mine called Richard, and he has a Caterham R500 Superlight. So plus side on that, it's a gorgeous day. The thing has no roof, so it's going to be nice to be out in that. The downside, it also doesn't have a windscreen or windows or virtually anything else, so it's probably going to be a good job that I bought these, because I'm going to have a lot of bugs and stones and things flying on my face. So yeah, that could be interesting. But anyway, it's a super quick car, 0 to 60 around the 2.8 seconds region, so it's going to be the fastest car I've ever been in with that respect, and it's going to be entertaining. So up here on top of some hills, Wantage Road, lots of cars going past, lots of cyclists going past, and it's a damn gorgeous day. And here's the car, the beast, the R500 Superlight. Called Superlight because, well, look at that amount of carbon. Carbon here, even carbon here, and here, and here, and the seats are carbon, everything's carbon. So yeah, it weighs about 500 kilograms.
I think the seats are Kevlar.
So, the seats are maybe Kevlar, so I'm sorry I got that wrong. Yeah, so Richard has said to me a number of times as well, he's not the best person to give us an overview of this car. He bought it because it's fast, and basically he had E92 M3 before this, and it wasn't fast enough, so he decided to go more extreme and basically lose any kind of semblance of a real semi-practical car. Lose the windscreen, lose the doors, windows, roof, anything. It does have a boot, it does have a boot. He's already shown me this. He's put a bag in the boot, and it's full now. But the rest of the car is basically engine, so all in there. So it's a 1.8 litre K-Series Rover engine.
Yeah, that's the one. Throttle body, naturally aspirated. I think it develops somewhere around 230 brake horsepower. I know it equates to more than 500 per tonne because of the weight of the thing.
So yeah, that's what makes it so impressive. It's the bhp per tonne. An interesting fact as well, for any of those that watch Top Gear, which just reminded me of this as well, it's the car that's above.
It's one above the Veyron on the Top Gear track.
So one above the Veyron on the Top Gear track. So it obviously doesn't hang around, and obviously a completely other end of the scale in terms of the type of car, because that one weighs about 1,800 tonnes and this one weighs, yeah, 500 kilograms. But still, damn impressive. Only a 1.8 litre.
For the Caterham geeks out there, there's something slightly above and beyond, is that it has the aero wishbones at the front, and all of the suspension on this, which you would normally see on the outside, is quantum inboard suspension. So it's hidden away and tucked inside the body of the actual thing.
Not bad for a 1.8. Yeah, right then, so we're going to go for a bit of drive, and we've got the microphone now, but probably not going to hear anything as soon as we start going. So enjoy. to 60, yes?
0 to
60,
something.
yeah.
Oh yeah, 0 to the speed limit. Yeah. Something like that.
Smell some tyres or clutch or...
Could be clutch.
Anyway. Hey guys, so I have to say that was an incredible experience. Really enjoyed that. It was definitely the most, I guess, visceral and raw car I've been in. I think I said that last time with the Focus RS, but this was obviously taken to an extreme new level. When you've got no roof, no windscreen, no windows, you're really exposed to the elements, and it's pretty crazy really. You've got stones flying at you, flies flying at you. It's great fun, and it's all part of the experience. So I really enjoyed that. You know, massive thumbs up to Richard, and big thanks for that. And yeah, you know, couldn't have asked for a better day to be in such a car. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for any future content. And so thanks very much, and I'll see you all in the next one.